بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are good. This is our maths class and our today's topic is time. We are going to learn time today, that how to tell the time. I have drawn some of the clocks on the board, and what does this what is the name of this clock? This is analog clock. Which clock? Analog clock. And the analog clock has two hands. You can see this. I have drawn two hands, big hand and short hand. Big hand means long hand shows minutes and short hand shows hour. I am telling this again. We have two hands on analog clock, and these are long hand and short hand. Short hand shows hour and long hand shows minutes. So in today's class, we will learn how to tell the time if it is o'clock, if it is half past or quarter past, or if it is quarter to. We will learn this separately. First, we will learn how to tell the time when it is o'clock. So let us start. Here we will learn o'clock time. If the big hand means the minute hand is on 12, so it indicates o'clock. What does it indicate? O'clock. And here the short hand is on 4, means the time is 4 o'clock. What is the time? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Okay. If this short hand is not on 4, if it is on another number, like if it is on 8, then the time will be 8 o'clock. And if the short hand is on another number like 11, if the short hand is on 11, the time will be 11 o'clock. Okay, we have some book page working, and we will solve that, and you will get to know how to write if the time is o'clock. So for this, you have to open page number 162. Page number 162 for those who are having the old book, and for those who have the new book, means book with the logo, they have to open page number 164 for this. Okay, so question number 1 is, write the time shown on these watches and clocks. We have different watches and clocks, and you have to tell the time. Clock number 1, it's already solved, and I'm telling you again. Here you can see the time. Big hand means minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 4. The time is 4 o'clock. Second, here the big hand, the minute hand, is on 12, while the short hand is hour hand is on 7. The time is 7 o'clock. The third one, here the big hand, the minute hand, is on 12, while the hour hand is on 8. The time is 8 o'clock. Last one, here the big hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 9. Time is 9 o'clock. So students, it was all about o'clock. When the time is o'clock, you have got to know how to tell the time. The minute hand, if the minute hand is on 12, it means it's o'clock. Okay, now moving to half past. How to tell the time if it is half past? Half past indicate when the big hand means the big hand, the minute hand is on 6. It means it's indicating it's half past. Here in this clock, the minute hand is on 6 and the small hand means the hour hand is between 4 and 5. The hour hand is between, you can see it's between 4 and 5. The time is half past 4. The time is half past 4 means 30 minutes are past and 30 minutes are left. If this hour hand is, let's supposing if the hour hand is between 12 and 1, if the hour hand is here, then what will be the time? The time will be half past 12. Means after half past it will be 1 o'clock. We have some questions on book page number 162 and we will do practice. Then the concept will be clear. So I'm telling you again, for those who have old book, they have to open page number 162, and for those who are having new book, they have to open page number 164. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 and question number 3 is about half past. Okay. So question number 2 is draw hands on the clock to show the time given. Clock number 1. Here we have to draw the line, draw the hands. We have to draw two hands, the minute hand and the hour hand. Clock number 1, the time is written that 2:30 and the hands are already drawn. 2:30 means half past. I told you when the big hand, the minute hand is on 6, it's indicating that it's half past, and it's 2:30, then the hour needle will be in middle of 2 and 3. Next, time is written half past 12. For half past, you have to draw the big hand on 6 like this, and for showing 12, you have to draw the hour hand between 12 and 1 for indicating half past 12. Next, time is written that it is 9:30. Again, for the 30, for the half past, you have to draw big hand means minutes hand on 6, and for indicating that it's 9:30, the hour hand will be in between of 9 and 10. Question number 3. Read the hour hand first, then read the minute hand, write the time. Means first you have to read the hour hand, then you have to read the minute hand, and you have to write the correct time. Clock number 1. Where is hour hand? Hour hand is between 3 and 4. And where is minute hand? It is on 6. Means the time is 3:30. Half past 3. Second, minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is between 8 and 9. You can see it's in between 8 and 9. The time is 8:30. In second ways we can say that half past 8. Third clock. Here the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. The time is 4:30, or you can say half past 4. Okay students, it was all about o'clock or half past. Now moving to if the time is quarter past or if it is quarter to. Quarter past means 15 minutes are past. means 15 minutes are past. If the minute hand is on 3, it indicates quarter past. But if the minute hand is on 9, it indicates that quarter to, means 15 minutes are left. Quarter past show 15 minutes are past, and quarter to shows that 15 minutes are left. For example, in this clock, the time is quarter past 4. Time is quarter past 4 because the minutes hand is on 3 and the hour hand is on 4. The time is quarter past 4, means 15 minutes are past. Here, it's quarter to 4. As I told you, I have told you that quarter to means 15 minutes are left. Here you can see that the minute hand is on 9, means 15 minutes are left. And the hour hand is on 4, almost on 4, not on 4, almost on 4. So it's indicating that it's quarter to 4, means after 15 minutes it will be 4 o'clock. So let's do practice. For this you have to open page number 163. Page number 163, and those who have new book, means book with the logo, they have to open page number 165. Question number 4, which is draw hands on the clock to show the time given. Time is given and you have to draw the hands. Clock number 1, the time is written that 2:15, quarter past 2, means 15 minutes are past. For showing quarter past, I told you that you have to draw minute hand on 3. If the minute hand is on 3, it means it's quarter past. And the hour hand is on 2, a little bit down than the 2. It shows quarter past 2. Here in second clock, time is mentioned that 3:15, quarter past 3. Again, for quarter past you have to draw big hand, the minute hand on 3. And for indicating quarter past 3, then our hand is a little bit down than the 3. Here it is. It's indicating quarter past 3. And clock number 4, 5th, 6th and 7th. This you will do by yourself. It's having the same time. You have to draw the hands. And now move to quarter to. Quarter to means 15 minutes are left. The time is written 7:45, quarter to 8. For quarter to means 15 minutes are left. For quarter to, the minute hand should on 9 and the hour hand almost close to the 8. And the time is quarter to 8. Here on second clock, time is 11:45, quarter to 12. Again, for the quarter to, you have to draw minute hand on 9 and the hour hand almost close to 11. The time is 11:45, quarter to 12. And this you have to do by yourself. Now come to question number 5. And question number 5 is, look at the hour and the minute hands, write the time. Means here you have to write the time. Here you have to draw the needles, but here you have to draw time. Here you have to write times. Clock number 1. The big hand, the minute hand is on 3, means it's indicating quarter past. Okay, now quarter past and the hour hand is almost touching 6, means it's 6:15, quarter past 6. Here, let's see the time. The minute hand is on 9 and the hour hand is on 2. The time is quarter to 2, 1:45. Rest of these you have to do by yourself. 2 clocks are left. You have to do by yourself. And we have one more page, which is page number 167. And for those who have new book, they have to open page number 169. I have written here for both the books. Okay. What we have on this page? Let's start. First, read the question. Let us think of a clock face as something we can slice up, like a cake. How many minutes in each of these slices? Think in group of 5 minutes each. We have 4 clocks here, A, B, C and D. You can see the clock. Some part of clock is shaded and some part is unshaded. And question is minutes in the shaded part. You have to write the minutes of shaded part, and in second column you have to write minutes in unshaded part. Unshaded part minutes you have to write here. Clock number A they have done. They have already done. So let's see what they have done. Clock number A, the shaded part. 15 minutes are here, like 5 minutes, 5 minutes and 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10 and 15 minutes. 15 minutes are shaded and unshaded. Rest of the area is unshaded. 45 minutes are unshaded. Clock B, only 5 minutes are shaded. You can see till 11 till 5. Only 5 minutes are shaded and rest of the time is unshaded, means 55 minutes are left and 55 minutes are unshaded. Same as it is, C and D you have to write by yourself. Here you can measure how many minutes are shaded and how many minutes are unshaded. Same as it is, you can see half part is shaded. Half clock means 30 minutes. So half clock is shaded and half clock is unshaded. Means 30 minutes are shaded and 30 are unshaded. So it was all about today's class. I hope you have learned how to tell the time, if it is o'clock, half past, quarter past or quarter to. Now you have to solve these 3 pages by yourself. I hope you have learned this and you can solve this easily. So see you soon in the next class with new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.